Raven. Itch. No, hold her hand though. You need your, you have to wear your hook. Can you get Maddie over here quickly?
No.
Okay.
Not if you want to dress.
You won't. Go get her. She's standing behind her.
Too cool, eh?
They're my running shoes. I got big foot. You get it, baby bear.
You got your cow spot, Doherty.
Well, I think that's my show. There's Maddie, baby cow.
No, today.
And there's Mummy,
Mom.
the big witch.
I had it in. Oh, you know what? There's a big hole in it.
Be
that's
nice, you on
why.
tape.
Okay, let's pack it, tape it to the inside of the bag. It'll never be used again
Up
after
top?
tonight anyway.
Up top here?
Yeah, just tape it up, no, to the rim, right here.
Oh,
Can
you're
you
the
do
good.
that? Here, let me put it.
Oh, I did today. Put your feet in. It goes back up. Beep, beep. Simone, here. Brandon, are you gonna stop?
Yeah, I'm thinking, Okay, Clay, come here. I'm gonna fix your bag.
Very cool.
Marshall, show me the bag.
Hold on.
Getting this?
Okay.
You're getting this?
Me?
Yeah, I saw it.
Come on, stand up.
Stand up, Daddy. Stand up.
Are we taking the thing around? Is that the way?
Well, the girls can't walk. That's way too much walking. Maddie can't do
That's a
that.
good idea. All right.
I'll take her along.
Maddie, turn around, look at me, honey. Maddie.
Hi, come here.
Hey,
Gail, are you going to give out candy?
Try.
I want to help them.
Oh, yours doesn't have a light.
No.
And away.
Like, yeah, the door.
What?
Raven. Hi. You guys look so cute. A cow and a mouse.
That's a pretty bright light.
It is, isn't it?
Is it? I've never used it.
Uh-oh.
Okay, but we better get started.
Okay.
Take them in the wagon.
Well,
they can't walk. I was going to do it in the stroller, but I thought
This is better.
there's two.
Okay.
We need two strollers.
Well, I was going to walk Raven, but this is better because
Let's go up here. Let's go see Simone.
remember what to say?
Trick or treat.
Okay, go on the porch and wait for everybody to come.
Hey, wait a minute.
Let's say trick or treat.
Okay, go ahead.
Trick or treat.
Say it again.
Trick or treat.
Clay's mastered it.
Raven,
Knock.
Is
say
anybody
trick or
coming?
treat.
Oh, they have their lights on. Hi.
Oh, I got a cuff open.
Come on over here.
Let me see it.
Oh, wow.
You got a pirate and a puppy dog. Here we go. And there you are, and there you
Say-
are.
What do you say?
We have a
Oh,
cow
another one of
and
wine?
a kitten.
Sorry, I didn't.
Well, I can't get up your step with the wagon.
them up.
Marshall Clayton, say thank you when he comes back.
Thank you.
Oh, you're
We got a lot of little ones today.
Yeah.
it's all about.
There you go.
Thank you very
Oh,
much.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yay!
Clay, you're supposed to say thank you.
Yeah, you weren't there, but he said it.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
You got a nice night for it anyway.
Oh, it's beautiful out here.
Lucky.
Yes.
Say thank you.
Thank you. I love trick-or-treating.
Okay.
You love
I don't think
it?
We'll get the girls up for this row because they don't need candy and. I
No,
can
they're
get
just
steps.
here for the ride.
Clay, stay here, please.
I'm going to go to another house now.
That's better.
Yeah.
Open your bed, Mark. Good. Okay, come in.
Thank you. Thank you.
Careful. Come here, Clay. Keep going up.
Do you like trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
Here, take a handle.
Yeah, got that.
Show us your candy.
Good. I got yours.
Let me see the candy. Really good. Look at all the candy.
Yeah.
Look at your candy. Wow.
Bye-bye. She's saying bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, you're a kitten. She's a mouse.
Oh,
She's a mouse.
that's okay.
Look at the beer bottle in his pocket.
What do you say, boys?
Thank you.
These are for the girls.
That's cute.
Thank you.
Hey, who's that man
Thank
sitting
you.
there? Oh, Raven, say trick or treat. Get some candy. Go to the lady. Look.
Oh, look, drinking boxes. What a great idea. I'm doing that next year.
Instead of chocolates? Ray.
Hold it up.
Okay.
Oh. It's juice. Thanks. Thank you.
Heavy for her
Say
bag.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, this is what she thinks of candy.
Bye-bye.
Clay, you can't get in now. You can't get in now.
Here you go.
Oh,
Right.
smarty.
Watch your step here, honey.
Oh, she wants more?
We're just gonna come in.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Are you gonna stay?
Bye-bye. Come on. Did she take that step?
Yep.
Can you take that? Be
I'm just gonna
careful
see what
there.
she does, and then I won't take.
Household insurance.
There
Okay.
you go.
Uh-oh.
no.
Come on.
Watch the host.
It's a big one.
She's gonna do it the easy way. There you go. Yeah.
Okay, I'm down.
There you go.
I lost my candy, Mom.
Lost my candy. We'll get some more in there. Yeah, we're not going
Okay, time
anywhere.
to go.
We're gonna spend Halloween right
Oh,
here.
she's gonna eat it now.
Are you gonna eat
Say
that?
thank you.
Are you gonna eat that?
Oh, she knows what those are. Bye-bye.
Oh. I'm careful.
Good girl. Oh, look, she knows. Look,
She's trying. She's trying.
Look, we got one more.
Marcia, put your hand down.
Let me help you. Come, oh, give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Good girl.
Good enough.
I'm not giving these.
Okay.
Oh, thank
There
you.
Okay, we got a lineup over here, guys.
Give Maddie a lick.
Move.
Oh.
Can you give her some more?
Look how wide she'll open up, eh?
She likes it. Her like to do it all the time. It's bottle.
It's
Little
orange.
cute thing.
Orange lollipop.
Look at it.
You can have one later.
Yeah, you had Smarties.
Very good. You don't even put it into.
Marshall, what did we do tonight?
We said thank you, and they said trick or treat.
Raven.
And then what happened?
Raven.
And then we said thank you.
And what happened
Oh,
in between?
good one, Gail.
Did
she
and
smile?
we say trick or treat.
Ah, and then we go to another house?
We went bush to them.
Bunch of them.
Bunch of them.
Where? What else happened?
What did the people do?
They give some candy to us.
They gave some
Did
candy
you like
to
it?
us.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Oh, look at
I think Maddie wants more of your popsicle there. Why'd she go?
Maybe that's it now.
Look at her, look at her. Maybe that's it now.
Maybe that's it now?
Me turn now. No.
Well, you gotta share with Clayton.
Oh, yes.
Give Clayton some.
Clayton's gonna go.
Give the puppy dog some.
No, he already had his candy.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He's allowed one piece, I said. Marshall chose a sucker, he chose Smarties.
You tell me.
Let him do some.
Oh, I
He ate them
forgot
all.
now. I'm sorry.
Look at her little
Wasted no time.
Oh, you do you? Well, gee whiz, I don't know. Did you have your Smarties? Did you eat your Smarties?
Hey, do it again.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Candy.
Rat. I ran out of money.
Oh, that's okay.
I ran out of
They
candy.
don't. They got Grandma. We got more than we can eat.
So I'm gonna give them money, okay?
Okay.
Grandma, watch your babies behind the door.
Okay. Wait a minute. I'm gonna put some money in your bag because I don't
I
have
got
any.
your candy for you.
Okay. Okay.
And now we're gonna
Show
count
me your
it.
bag. Oh, you got nice bag. Well, I do have a shoe.
And we're gonna count it, right?
She knows what
Yeah. Okay. Where is? Oh,
She doesn't have a bag. She doesn't have one.
Where is your bag? Oh, that's cute.
Oh,
Where's
we're
your
gonna paint here.
Where's your bag?
Give it to her mommy.
We're gonna paint here.
Give to mommy. Okay? Yeah.
Can I take my shoe off?
And give it to mommy.
Can I take
Maybe she don't understand that.
Yeah, she does, but she just woke up.
Okay? Okay.
Thank you.
Where's your... You look funny. I oh my. Come and see. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Marcia, Chris, over here. Quick, quick.
That's a big song.
Where's your bag? Don't you have any bag? No? Oh, look at that.
Here's her bag.
Okay, so we're gonna put money.
No, don't take it out. Don't take
We're gonna put money because you know they start really early, you know.
Oh, yeah.
5:15.
No, you
And
Oh,
I had
really?
bags and they all gone. So I said, well, I'm gonna pick up some money. Oh, that's cute.
Okay, come on, let's go in. We're gonna separate our candy. Take your shoes off and move them out of the way, Marshall.
More candy. Bob, more candy in the store.
And you don't know the big oh, the little girl next door, she was
Okay, come here.
Come on, Ann. Come on, Ann.
Sean.
full.
Mom, what are you open at?
No,
Mom.
no, you can have a piece if you want. Do you want a bag of chips or do you want some Smarties?
Oh,
I ate one. How much money?
Just a minute, please. We will separate it. Let go. You don't
Is
fight
that
it.
what you want, Clay? Chips?
No, I don't want it. How much money? I don't want
Not Maddie.
Just dump it on the
It's not Maddie.
it. No, what?
Like this. Like this, like this.
No.
Stay still,
It's going to hurt.
Daddy won't do it tight.
Are you going to do it tight, Dad? Daddy will do it. I don't want you to do it tight. I don't want you to do it tight, Dad. Mom, I can see.
So shouldn't put it in the mouth.
I just take a picture of it.
Okay, let's see you walk.
play. You have to hop like a bunny.
Don't fall on anybody.
Oh, I can't walk.
No, he can't walk.
Why can't you walk?
Daddy, undo him. You're such a big meanie.
Oh, Clay did it.
Oh, good.
I want it off.
Some things you
Want
want
it
to
off.
throw everything down the way you go there. Slide it all
Mama,
over the
I'll
place.
be upset.
Okay.
What's this?
It's okay.
Unwrap it, honey. Unwrap it. It's wrapped around.
Just
Just
stay here,
unwrap it.
that's all.
There you go. There's one. Where's the other one? Oh, gotta get the other one. No, too tight. Other way. Okay, hold it there. Now, where's the other end? Now, take it that way. This way. Like this, see? There you go.
Felicia. Felicia, wait.
You're free.
I'm
You're free.
I'm going to tie up the car.
Tie up the car.
Yep. The steering wheel.
Yeah, share it with Raven. Raven wants a turn too. I know, but she doesn't.
Yeah, well, she can
understand
share too. She understands sharing.
Well, he's not sharing.
that. Well, you've been playing all this time, so now it's Raven's turn.
He's not going to share.
She. Raven is a girl just like Maddie,
Raven,
and all girls don't
you
understand.
share with Clayton.
Oh, you got
That's it. Teach him how.
You will learn this. Girls want something, they get it. They will smile, and you will give in. Those are the rules.
Look at him. Can't be true. It can't be true.
About how you.
When she says, buy me a car, you just buy her a car. It's okay.
Okay.
Chris,
She needs a bigger house.
buy me a car.
Well, if you're the mate, sort of thing.
Oh, the mate.
The mate.
What's the mate thing?
So-called better half.
The mate
Hey, you're
thing.
tying me up. My hand, it's all tied. What am I gonna do? This one's free though, look. This one's free. Uh-oh.
Madeline.
Oh no, I'm tied.
Madeline, come see.
Yeah, you won't get out of here now.
Okay.
You won't get out of here.
You're not.
Come on, Dad, get out of here.
How about tying them together?
Nobody get out of here. Dad, you're going to get in the cage.
Really?
Wow. You're going to go in the cage.
Here's
And then, now you're in the cage. Wait, take the cage.
Oh, really? Wow.
And you say you're welcome. Can you say that again?
in the oven.
Welcome. And did you saw the cage?
Oh no, I'm tied.
Now, you will be tied.
No, I'm stuck.
We won't be what?
You will go in the cage. Oh, yeah.
We're
You
going to
Oh,
cage?
yeah.
No,
You want me to tie your hands?
you're not going in the king's cage. Act like
okay.
that.
Well, we don't
You're
put
not
it
going
around
in it.
Oh, you around your hands and your feet.
You're not going in the cage, guys, right?
Right.
No?
And you're not going
Let
in
me
the
see your
cage.
hands. Let me see your hands.
Oh, yeah.
Every time you do patty cake with Maddie, wherever Raven is, she claps.
Oh, really?
I noticed twice today.
Raven. Patty cake, baker's man.
Except now.
Except now.
Wow, you tied up Raven's cup.
Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. I don't feel like doing it. And I'm really cute, so I can get away with that.
Careful, watch out for
Yeah,
Mom was little.
you.
Oh, can I see you?
No, you're in the cage.
Yeah.
Hey, look at my watch.
Now to the walk on. Oh,
See how big it is?
But
How big it is?
Are you a big lion?
what?
Are you a big lion?
How big your watch gets? Look at it.
Oh, you were there.
Oh,
So how small it is?
So
how big it is?
Oh, I see.
Mom, Daddy, I got makeup on me here.
Makeup?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a puppy dog. Let me see. Oh, yeah, big puppy dog.
Now, give me the Daddy.
Hi.
Yeah, big man.
A big man.
Give me the
And you're a little boy because you have a small penis. I heard it before.
She cannot go away.
Well,
1967 when you were born.
I'm not going to turn it here.
Yeah, but if she lost the key, she
Yeah.
can't go nowhere. Because you need the key to start the car.
Oh, well, this is not for my car.
No, this is for Simone's car.
No, it's a big truck.
Yeah, but it's a car.
No, it's, no, Simone's not a car.
No?
No, it's Daddy's cars are not cars.
Okay, Simone is not a car, it's a truck.
It's a truck.
It's not a car, it's a truck.
Just in case you were wondering.
Yeah.
See? A doggone.
Is that like me?
Yeah? Like this. Grandpa, wait.
Let me see.
Grandpa.
Oh my goodness.
You make me a puppy, so I'm gonna eat you.
Marcia, out of the way, please.
Grandpa. Grandpa.
The grandpa?
You noticed.
Oh, yes.
You noticed
Let me see,
The baby.
Wow.
Let me
I'm
see,
impressed.
Now, you don't want me to be a puppy anymore?
Okay,
I
Marshall.
want you to be a puppy.
Oh, okay. Oh, because it was, untied me.
And I'm going to take it off now.
Okay.
You're going to be Halloween the last morning.
The last one.
How about one more time? How about 2 legs?
Oh, well, I won't go far with 2 legs. You know, I cannot walk with 2
Let
legs.
me see you walk now. I'll take your legs. You can walk like that.
Okay, no, you don't.
Well, come. Come, it's me for a minute. Mommy just look every day.
Come here, honey.
Oh, no, I don't want to go downstairs. I'm afraid of this.
Well, I'm
Come
going.
here.
You're standing on
Come
me.
here.
You're standing
Oh,
on
you
me.
want to turn, do we?
And
Ooh.
and
Open the refrigerator.